Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get your Binance Google Authenticator key. First, log into your Binance account. Once logged in, navigate to your security settings. Look for the section dedicated to Google Authenticator. You will need to click on the option to enable or manage this feature to proceed with the setup process. After initiating the setup, Binance will display a QR code on your screen. Crucially, below this QR code, you will find a long, unique alphanumeric setup key. This key is vital for manual setup and as a backup. Make sure to copy this key accurately. It's a good practice to save it in a secure, offline location immediately. Now, open your Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Look for the plus icon, usually located at the bottom or top right, and tap it to add a new account. From the options presented, select Enter a setup key rather than scanning a QR code. This allows you to manually input the key you just copied from Binance. Paste the setup key you copied from Binance into the designated field within your Google Authenticator app. The app will then generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code back into Binance to confirm the setup. Remember, this setup key is your recovery key. Keep it in a secure, offline location, like a password manager or written down to prevent losing access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.